Ayan mga kaibigan, ang pasalubong. Oh. Thank you, Dons, Manar PS, and Archie. Oh, lamig kayo ang pasalubong, ah. Mamerienda tayo. Obe red ribbon. At saka, ito, gusto ko na gagawin, oh. Wait lang, Goy, ha?
Mama, I want a two balls because I like that and
Okay.
that. But this, Mama,
Unahin
this
ko
is
muna
for
si
that.
CJ, ha?
Mama, this is for that. This is for that.
Okay, Goy. Okay, Goy.
For that, and then I need
Unahin ko
another
muna si
one for that.
CJ.
No. Yes, not us. No.
Unahin ko muna si Bibi Brother.
Ah.
You want this?
Mama, I don't like it.
You want the yogurt?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mama, can I taste it? Can I taste it?
Yeah.
Can I have it? Hey, look.
You want it or not? Okay, because we're gonna put it back after. Mga kaibigan, naubos na yung cookies dito at saka yung Whopper.
See, there is that. I should say. I'm not going to go. I'm not going to go. I'm not going to go. I want to get one. And I have the rest.
Kami ng bowl ni mo. Oops. That's CG, oh.
Oh.
That's it. Thank you.
Gusto na ka mga chikitin. Merienda tayo mga kaibigan sa mga oras na to, ting merienda. Panahon ng pagmi-merienda sa mga oras na to. Okay. Okay, so ngayon, ensaymada ube. Galing sa, ano to, red ribbon na ube, oh. Lagay mo lang dyan, Goy. Uy, tapos magatas. Uy, kalamian niyo, oh. Ube, red ribbon, tapos meron ting... Goy, don't give it to CJ. Ayaw niya.
Ano?
Wala nang wafer. Niubos na itong dalawa, eh.
I didn't eat that Whopper. I didn't eat a Whopper.
Sure ka?
I didn't eat a Whopper.
Bakit wala?
I don't like Whoppers.
Bakit wala na?
I'll tell you how more. But I like it
Goy,
more.
you have it, oh.
More.
I'll give some for CJ.
Why do I want a little bit?
Goy, you want it or no? Give it to CJ then.
No, 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 no.
Ito ang tortillos. Tortillos. Oh. That's your CJ. We're gonna save the rest for tomorrow. We're not gonna eat at one time. If you eat it in one time, then no more tomorrow.
You're taking too much.
Ay, too much?
55.
We'll save tomorrow. Okay? Okay, mga kaibigan. Ako gatas. Ay, may isaw sa gatas. CJ, don't touch mama's food.
Yeah. Mama, what? Just get one more. Yeah.
Ako gatas, kay isaw-saw natin. You want gatas? CJ, I got you gatas.
Every week What, what?
Mm-hmm. That's yours. Okay? Mm-hmm. Ayun na. Oh, you can get some. Wala na yung hinanap mo.
Oh, like that. Okay.
Nakahagilap ng cookie si Suju. Nakakita pa siya ng cookie. Meron pa ba doon? Hindi ko yung nakita. Wow. Natabunan pala siya dito sa ano. Itong nalaglag. Natabunan ni kaya Jesus. Yung ang gusto nila yung may palaman. Go, inuuna mo yung cookie. Oh, tortillas. Kain tayo mga kaibigan, merienda. Ayan, meron kami pasalubong kay doon na Archie na mga Pinoy treats. Go, you wanna have some enchilada over?
Yeah, Mama, you said we're gonna go outside and take a walk.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Can we do that? After we eat?
After eating.
Then.
Maglakad tayo after eating. Need a bite, buddy? No? Okay. Kinain na ni Chris yung ganito mga kaibigan yung isa. Ang harap ng ube. Red ribbon. Magandang umaga po. Kumusta sa inyo dyan? Dito sa lugar namin walang red ribbon.
Then go back home. Then go back.
Yung red ribbon na sa ibang estate. Ano na si Jay? You okay?
Yeah.
Blueberry for me.
Do you like it?
Blueberry for me. I love it.
Good.
Oh.
May yogurt pa si CJ. Tuwang-tuwa siya sa kanyang yogurt. Itong ganito mga kaibigan. Maganda kasi ito kaya pang ang ganyan, oh, babaon ni CJ.
I was falling.
Pinabaon din to ni CJ yung ganito. Nalagyan ko ng palaman jelly. Minsan peanut butter. Gamit, can you please wash your hands? Hindi kami si Agoy-Agoy mga kaibigan, oh. Nagkalat. Natumba siguro yung kanyang... Okay. Snack tayo mga kaibigan. Here's sa inyo jam. Manang. Boy, ayaw mo na nito? You want any? No playing. Hello, Mami Lani El Carte. Magandang umaga po. Pinoy ang snack. Goy, what are you playing now? Finish your food and then you play.
Pick up is a baba, Mutana, pick up.
Say, are you gonna eat that? Or no? Okay. No! I thought you were eat it.
Don't touch this food. You already finished yours. Inubos na lang sa kanya.
Hello.
Thank you.
A cookie.
Namigay si CJ.
Snack.
Thank you, CJ.
Okay, Mom.
Hello, Ma'am Merle Flores.
We're having that one today.
Meron pong tumawag tapos nanalo daw po ako magbayad ng shipping fee. Scam yan, Ma'am Jillian Agno. Pag may nagkumukontak sa inyo, scam yan.
Please.
Kasi kung kayo po ay mabigyan ng mga balikbayan box, kayo po ay tinatawag.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I'm done again. Go first.
Oh,
Oh. Yeah, it's just
Here. Hello, honey, Tompong. Kumusta po sa Saudi, Ma Mary Jane? Hituto ah. Ma'am Foti De Leon, hello po.
Mama, I want that. I want that. You see they eat it?
Mm-hmm.
What? I want it.
Huh?
Ubos ni CJ yung wafer eh. Did CJ?
No, I didn't put it in the water.
Goy, please don't mix that. Give me that. There, good mama. Don't mix everything. You don't touch. You pick and put it in your plate. Don't touch. So CJ, what else you want? Wafer? Ay, wafer. Tita?
Water?
Put in your plato. Huwag yung hawak-hawakan. Okay. Baka ano yan, masira. Goy, don't touch CJ's food. Ang laki na ng mga kids. Ma'am Honey, Tumpong. Oo, ma'am. Okay, bilis ang panahon.
Want to see it?
Put in the plate.
Welcome.
Lagay mo dito.
Mama, there's something like see you.
Hey, go, Mommy.
We have some of those, but we have in there, in the bottom. I want to eat the whole thing,
No.
but I'm not gonna eat the box.
Anong oras? Alas 3.
I want to eat one.
Alas 3 po dito, Ma'am Gina. Ma'am Gina. Asturga, ting snack. Ayan, nagmerienda yung mga bata. Ano, Ma'am Florencia Bagkatin. Meron siya ditong cookies, Marie Biscuit,
7, 8.
Fita crackers, yeah. One? Wafer, yan yung wafer. Yan yung wafer, yan. Yan yung gustuhan mo na inubos mo. And cream-filled sandwich, yung parang cookies na brown.
Look.
I'm done.
Okay.
There's some food inside.
Merly Miranda, hindi pa ako tumatawag, ma'am. Baka, ano yun, scammer yan. Yung mga tumatawag sa inyo, kumupunta, mga scammer yun. Diyan, ba't? Ay, huwag mo nang. Huwag mo kayo malaglag yan. This is ma'am. Hindi na. Ma'am Aida Cartala. Mag-walking kami pagkatapos nito. Mag-walking. Ma'am Florencia Bagkatin, magandang umaga. Ano, guy?
You know we collect stuff?
Leon. Iloilo. Wilson Cabiko.
Mommy, you remember we collect stuff? I saw coins, I saw this.
Saan mo nakita yan?
From Texas. Texas. I was with you.
Lagay mo sa bagoy, mawala. Ma'am Puti de Leon, hindi sila mahirap pakainin at hindi sila mapili sa pagkain.
Again, Mom.
Nakakatuwa, mabait sila, mabait siyang dalawa. Ay, oh God, ano daw? Hindi pa na, Finish mo ito, CJ. CJ, konti na lang, CJ. CJ, come here sa 4:30 dito sa Pinas. Gina Astorga. CJ, ali ba? Kunti. You want yogurt? Sige na kay sayang. Okay. Give me that toys. Give me the toys. Ma'am Emily, Ma'am Poste. Kakainin ko na sana. Bumalik. Takot si CJ kunin ko yung toys niya. Yun sila.
I found my favorite stuffy.
Maganda ito ikapi-kapi, oh.
Okay. Okay.
Goy? No, 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 no. Ma'am Nida Milano sa Laguna. Good morning. Marilicuano. Anong ginagawa nyo ngayon? Nagluluto na kayo? Kishana? Anong mga niluluto nyo sa mga oras na to? Maga kayo magtrabaho? Sa ganyang oras, maaga na, niluluto na, pati tanghalian. Watching sa Mandaluyong, Salcedo Josephine. Ingat po kayo sa inyong mga lakad ngayong araw. Kumusta sa Dubai, Ma'am Puti de Leon? Nagkapi, nag-work. Nag-work ka pala sa Pinyahan? Saan Pinyahan, ma'am? Saan yan? Ma'am Florencia. Oh, wow, maganda yan, ma'am. Punta ako dyan pag... Pasyal ako dyan someday. Di pa nakatulog. Lucky. Di pa nakatulog? Oh, hindi ka pa nakatulog? Madaling araw na, hindi pa nakatulog. Matulog na lang sa umaga. Kaya kailangan nating natulog talaga. Ma'am Virginia Opina. Damam. Shout out Ma'am Chris Gianara Saldivar. Ma'am Florencia, ingat po. Maaga talaga yan. Maganda yan, ma'am. Kaya maaga talaga yan. Dalawa
So, this means, wait, actually, this means strip. This means,
time in. Ingat po, Ma'am Florencia. Maaga yung ibang nagtrabaho, oh.
this means, go to the side,
O sige, magbabay na kami ha. Ingat po. Magandang araw po. Bye-bye. Thank you.